guys, Super James here, back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a very long awaited video, which is my room tour, and I know that all of you just really want to see this, and so first we'll start at we'll start at this sign first, which is every brother is a superhero. I think that that's actually false, because I have a brother and he's not a superhero, and I'm not a superhero either, so whatever, liars. And then we have my sticker door, which is it's got a lot of stickers on it, as you can probably see. My personal favorite is this one, which is a pizza holding a guitar. I think just cool. And then of course, that's probably like the only favorite one on there. And then a nice panoramic shot of my room. Yeah, it's real good. It's real good. Yep. And then that's my hallway where we just came from. And then first, I guess we'll start over here near my bed. So this is my bed. It has pillows on it. It has a sweatshirt on it. It has a blanket on it. And first, it has a blanket on it. I'd like to this is my mattress. It's from Mattress Firm. It's real good. It's a real good one. And I have this water bottle. I'll go for a sip of water right now. Nothing like water on a snowy November day. And this is my lamp. This is a picture of the Beatles, which is a band. A lot of garbage. This is my Donald Trump squishy boy. He just looks like he's really mad all the time when I squish him. It's fun. And then first, this is my very favorite bobblehead. It's number 1 1/8. Sorry if that's loud. That's my that would be my freaking vent keeping me warm. And apparently my dad was the 2009 league champion in fantasy football, so that's cool. And then we can't show my real name there, that's why I covered it up. Thought of that before. And then these are all my books, and guess how many of them I read? Zero. And that's another book I don't read. This is my leather belt. Sometimes I use it to beat myself. And if you look outside, you'll see this porta potty. I'm having a pool made in my backyard. My father is. And anyway, this is some more books, and then we also have a view of the Statue of Liberty. It's the real one New York's a counterfeit. And then also Vancouver Whitecaps FC. Am I a fan? No. Do I have their flag? Yeah. Then I also have this really cool plate that a man once made for me. And the lacrosse stick from when I decided I was going to play lacrosse, and I was like, nah. So I didn't play lacrosse. And then this is my quote board. First, we'll zoom in on a few. First, I live my life by this quote. Nostalgia truly is one of the great human weaknesses, second only to the neck, from Dwight Schrute. And then also, of course, I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. Michael Scott. And then there's a fire hydrant in case my room ever catches on fire, which hopefully it doesn't, because that would suck. But then we also have my desk here. It's a really special desk. First we'll go to my one of my crown jewels, if you will. This just really special, really super duper special. I can't even stress how special this is. Little rack with nothing on it. Then we have some papers. We went some parchment paper, some signed baseballs. And that's my teddy bear, Eustace. Hey, Eustace. It's Daddy. And then, we got a book. We'd like to focus on someone who was a loyal subscriber, Mr. Jack Evans. Yep, that little kid right there. Yep. That's probably going to be our thumbnail. Hopefully it is. If it's not, I'm just going to be mad. But he's a subscriber. You might see his name down in the comment section. And my name is on a few of these things, so I'm going to have to cross it out. I'm a fan of Liverpool Football Club. And you probably won't even be able to see the logo, but that's the logo. And then they have a story that's theirs. And then this Barack Obama, if you will. And then that's a playbill from Hamilton. Another one of the quotes I live my life by. You miss 100% of shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, Michael Scott. Michael Scott did say that quote, though. And then that's pretty much my desk right there. It's real special. And this is my dresser. I have a lot of garbage on top. And then this that's pretty much it. Ooh, and one last thing. That's my guitar, by the way, and my amplifier. I have this mirror, which I look into on Saturday mornings when I'm trying to decide if I should, like, wake up in the morning. But, like, well, if I should, like, take a shower in the morning or, like, wait. I normally wait. That's my room, guys. One last panoramic shot. Oh, here's my map. Yeah, so we're gonna focus on, Ellesmere Island. It's an island close to Greenland. And, also, it is snowing outside. Of course, there's my porta potty. That's a car. I think it's my neighbor's car. And that's all I got for you. Anyway, guys, so, be cool, stay in school. Just every day, just be cool. Also, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize my videos. So, spread the word, spread the word, spread the word like the Bible, okay? Just tell it to everyone you know, okay? Anyway, bye. See ya. Praise him.